you again for tuning in to another edition of 547 Toy Review. This time we feature one of my favorites, Inferno. It's Voyager class, it's G1, and I bought it in, should I say, a very cheap price. Originally 1,500 to it, pero around December of last year, nag-sale to. Umabot pa up to 400 pesos eh. But anyways, just to give you a background about Inferno, obviously he's a fire truck, but what Hasbro did for 2009 is that they made a modification for Inferno. Way back 1980s, yung fire truck ng Inferno merong ladder, then full die cast siya, as in buong bakal. And this time, as we can see here, Hasbro intended to make modifications sa itsura niya. This is inspired by fire trucks in airports in the United States. And on the first design of Inferno, Hasbro intended that magkakaroon sana siya ng parang squirt, yung parang may pipindutin dito tapos automatic may lalabas na tubig. Kaya lang, due to production cost, eto na lang pinalit nila, plastic tubig. And what do we have here? Of course, obviously walang ladder, and fully plastic siya, pero in fairness malaki. Alright, now to convert this, first of all, you have to twist this part here, open this part. Medyo masikip ha, hindi halatang nilaspag ko na. Of course, you have to be careful with some parts here. Open this one, open this one. Yung gulong, i-twist ang gulong, masok na ganyan ang kabila. Okay, now this is the challenging part. You have to break this, you have to open this part here. So wala mo siya separate. Before you do that, I suggest na ibaga mo muna yung paa. Okay, again, masikip siya. Yan, susunod ka rin pala, bihira ka. Okay, open this one here, twist the legs, twist, buksan ang paa. Yan, yan, and here comes the hard part. You have to break this. So yan, ganun din dito, break mo yan, open. Okay, now tapos na po na kailangan yan. Now remember this, baba, hooks. Apply the same principle here, same action. Braso to twist na rin yan, as well as this one here. And ito, itong part na to, putin na yan. Okay. Yung ulo, sama ganyan, ikutin. Okay, put at the back, sasara mo yan. Ganda, no? One of the best actually. But just I want to bring the focus on this toy here. Actually, kung paano nagkaroon ng modification sa vehicle mode niya, ganun din sa robot mode niya. As you can see here, dalawang kamay niya. Okay, dun sa G1, yung isang kamay ni Inferno, hose yun, isang normal na kamay tapos isang paws. Yun yung original na Inferno. And yung original na Inferno, malaki ang ulo nun, parang may wings din siya. Pero ngayon yung rename down nila. And of course, special parts here or special features is well articulated itong Inferno natin ngayon. And it's quite satisfying dahil malaki siya. This is a Voyager class Inferno. This is not an ordinary toy. And please take a look at his face. Very nice. Very nice. Pag tinapat mo siya sa may ilaw, ilaw din yung mata niya. Pansin mo? Very nice toy, really. And I love this. That's it for this toy review. Hope you like it. See you, good night.